The countryside around Normandy inspired some of the greatest artists of all time, while also bearing witness to some of the fiercest battles in history. We've been delighting in its beauty as we continue our 11-day Normandy and Gems of the Seine cruise with Scenic, exploring some of the region's most significant towns.
The beautiful city of Fécamp, the camp of the fig tree, so named because a trunk of the fig tree containing the blood of Christ washed up here and the blood gushed forth. But it's not the only liquid the city is famous for.
For all its religious significance and its reputation as the favoured residence for the Dukes of Normandy, it's the ancient Benedictine liqueur that has really put this town on the tourist map.
Wow, that's the architecture. Clearly the kind of architecture that was inspired by a big night on Something Wild. I think I know exactly what that Something Wild was.
The focal point of the town is this architectural masterpiece, built at the end of the 19th century to provide a prestigious setting for what is the world's only distillery for Benedictine liqueur.
Why is it so fancy?
To create a myth, a huge story about the Benedictine. That's why right now, for example, we are in the room where you have all of the abbots from the Abbey of Fécamp, which is near.
And they're all holding books and looking learned and intellectual.
Exactly.
And so it gives the Benedictine itself a kind of even grander feel, doesn't it?
Exactly, in order to convey the story once more.
Benedictine liqueur is produced right here and exported all around the world.
How long has it been produced here?
Since 1863, the beginning of Benedictine,
Yeah.
and all the distillery, it is maintained from the beginning.
Ah, so it's all original.
Yes.
How many bottles do you produce?
We produce more than 1 million bottles per year.
And this is the only place that it's made?
This is the only place, this is the only distillery Benedictine in the world.
And what are the secret ingredients?
Oh, they are secret. No one knows it entirely. We're gonna start with the classic Benedictine, okay?
This is the classic.
The classic one with 27 spices and herbs. This is the sweetest one, and this is the most aromatic one.
Very rich.
Yes.
Oh my God, that is delicious.
It has 300 grams of sugar per liter. This is a very syrupy liquor, the classic Benedictine. This one is single cask. It's a blend of Benedictine and brandy, and it is aged 6 months older than the first one. Here is more the brandy.
Yes, you can feel the alcohol in that one.
Yes, this is why we're never called in Normandy.
And what's the third one?
1888. We call it like this because to make honor to the beginning of the distillery. This is a blend of Benedictine and cognac. So this is our most elegant expression of Benedictine.
So beautiful. I'll take the lot.
After a day of exploring, Scenic Gem lures us back with 5-star comfort and culinary delights.
As well as the main restaurant, there is a fine dining restaurant, L'Amour, which you will be invited to at least once on your cruise. And befitting of a fine dining restaurant is a menu with items such as mousse de truite fumée et gelée de camembert, risotto au saffron au magret de canard fumé, and côte de bœuf. How good is that?